I'm hungry.
I want to go home. It's scary here.
Where's Mother?
Patch? Are you okay? Patch?
Dad was right. I am just one of 101. I'm sorry, Lucky. This is all my fault.
Hey, didn't Thunderbolt get out of a cage like this once? You know, in episode 13, the Flaming Flea Circus.
Episode 18.
Episode 18!
Did you see what Patch just
Wizard!
did?
Patch! Absolutely wizard!
Hey, shut your yapping. I'm trying to get me beauty sleep.
Okay, you guys, stick together and be quiet.
Oh, don't look so put out. My favourite furrier will be open in the morning and then we'll be out of your hair.
Perfect. Episode 53, the mineshaft mix-up. Everybody, stay here until I tell you it's safe to come out.
Ah, what is it with... Ah! You let the puppies get away! Hold on, they can't have gone far. Here, start searching. Oh, when that crazy bird finds out we lost him again, she'll skin us.
Horace, Jasper, what are you looking for?
Nothing, Mum.
We haven't lost the doggies or anything.
You let them escape!
Jasper fell asleep.
You were snoring like a train.
The lift is barking.
The mutt must already be downstairs.
Funny how we never heard the lift.
Shut up, you.
Come on, they'll be back soon.
Aren't we going down?
Nope, we're going up. Ready, Rolly? Huh? No. Can I do that again? Okay, now the rest of you.
I'm just saying, maybe the puppies are still upstairs and they just tricked us into coming down here.
Come on now, Horace. Dogs ain't that smart. They haven't got the big, educated brains we got.